So guys, just marinated my meat. Yeah, let's go there. So guys, I want to fry all of this. My jollof rice is ready. Let me show you guys. Anyways, but then this is my marinated meat, carrots, onions that have that green leaf, this, and then this one. So let's just start. Here is my jollof rice. Can you see that, guys? Can you see? Guys, our food is ready. Who is ready to eat premium jollof rice? Come and eat, okay? So
only fine girl, only fine girl.
guys, he's saying hi already. He's saying hi already. So we are at the birthday Zoom right now. We just want to go and get one or two things outside, Sha.
Wow.
We are back from birthday party, guys. It was a lot. When I mean a lot, my husband, this man is annoying. He said because I'm allowed to remove his slide, not these things. It was a lot. See, I wanted to film a lot, but that place was dark. You know, this club pattern of setup. You understand my kind of what I'm saying? So it was a lot, and that's why I was not able to film plenty. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. So let me go and give my hobby food. I'll talk to you guys later or tomorrow. Let me know what my makeup is giving, because when I wanted to leave, I was not having enough time to like say what I wanted to say, because one, we are out of time, and secondly, the place was already getting dark. Okay, so yeah, see, if you've not dropped comments on my nails, please drop comment on my nails. See what fan nearly did to my nails. See my nails. Can you guys see it? It's like it's chopped small. I'll file it tomorrow. This fan won't cut my nails out from my hand. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Who does this? Oh, I think only Sonia does this. So I want to boil this plantain. It's 6, but I'm boiling just 4 for myself and hubby. And yes, we'll boil this and we'll eat it with red oil, salt, pepper, and onions. This is funny, right? But the plantain is so fresh. See guys, my hubby bought 6 of this plantain for 1,800. 1,800. But I didn't really complain because it's fat, fresh, and everything. So I just want to boil this. That's my craving right now. Enjoy with me. I'll see you guys later. Let me know in the comment section, how do you want your own plantain to be? Do you prefer it boiled? Do you prefer it fried? Which one in particular? Me, I love every class that plantain is bringing. And yes, let me start with my fresh plantain. Yeah guys, let's go there.
Oh,